I'm Jim Bologna with Kitchen Biz, here today with Ryan Catarozoli, and we're going to be talking about the Doyon Spiral Mixer. So Ryan, what do we have?
This is our AEF035 Doyon Spiral Mixer. And the reason we want to be using our spiral mixer versus a planetary mixer is because of the way we're treating the dough as we're mixing it. We've all known when a baker's dough is actually done based on the sound of the bowl when mixing with the planetary.
Banging across the side.
Exactly, kind of like this. That's when you know that your dough is done. But is that any way to treat a dough?
Absolutely not.
Especially something that you want to give to your customer. So what Doyon has done is we've developed a spiral mixer. And what's even better than the competition is how we've designed it. On the inside we have a center post. I don't know if you're going to see it here. Our center post is actually formed with the bowl so that there's no sharp edges. There's not a blade that's coming down. It's built directly in so it's very gentle on the dough. We've also taken our hook and we've synchronized it with the bowl. Because we have 2 speeds in the motor on the hook, 2 speeds in the motor on the bowl, we're able to hit every point on the outside of that bowl, so you have perfect synchronization.
And how's that different from other spiral mixers?
Other spiral mixers will have to sell you a bowl scraper feature, which is then taking the excess flour and things on the side of the bowl and knocking them back into the bowl. We don't have to do that because we're able to hit every point on the outside, and you're able to get a more efficient mix that way.
Fantastic. I see a little plug in the bottom of that bowl. What's that?
That right there is our drain. That right there is going to be a very easy way for you to clean. You can see on the front here, if I simply unscrew it, when I clean the inside of my bowl, I can either put a bucket there or connect a hose and run it directly to a drain. Another feature that we've added to the hook is that we've extended a pigtail, which is going to give you a very good quality mix at a very low capacity. For example, on this mixer, the max at a 60% absorption ratio is 120 pounds of dough as a finished product. The minimum is only 8 pounds.
8 pounds to 120 in this?
And that's it. So you can have a
fantastic.
customer who wants to do 120 pounds but also has smaller mixes. They're going to be able to use this mixer and not have to have multiple mixers inside their kitchen.
It looks like a pretty heavy mixer. How easy is it to move around?
Extremely easy to move. We actually have inline casters set up on it, and then we also have the foot paddles that you can screw in place so that you can hold the mixer down when it's needed to. Otherwise, I can simply move it like this. And that's on carpet.
That's impressive. And then, does it come in a marine option?
We do. We offer a stainless steel option with a control panel that would be water resistant, so you can wipe down and clean the whole thing. And it's already set up, as you can see, with the screw holes on either side to bolt it directly to the floor.
Brilliant. Well, why don't you tell us about the control panel?
It's actually very simple. It's an intuitive design. Simply turn the machine on, and I can operate it in manual mode. Right now, I just press the green button to start it. As you can see, I'm in speed 1, and it's going to give me a count up until I'm at the desired mix. I can simply press the 2 button, and it'll kick it into my second speed. If I don't have time to sit and watch over it all the time, we can shut it off here, and I can go into my programming options. As you can see here, I've got up through 9 programmable controls on there with a speed and time for, with a time for speed 1 and a time for speed 2. So I can change that, program it how I want to, simply press the green button, and now I can walk away and I'm all set.
You guys thought of everything.
Yeah, we did.
Fantastic.
Perfect.
Ryan, thank you so much for
you
your
very
time,
much.
and thank you for joining us.